Listen up, son. Here is the reality. It doesn't matter whether you are 15 or 55. The world can't be a dark place, and there are things your father should have told you. If you are a man, you were born without value, and the world will treat you that way. Deep down, every man wants to be respected and live up to his potential, but it's hard. The first thing you should note is that you are never going to convince others to respect you. So do not ask for respect. It doesn't work and it is pathetic. Respect is forced. You force it upon the world by being an individual which is undeniably worthy of respect. Think about this. Why does everyone respect the ocean? The ocean does not ask or beg to be respected. People are forced to respect the ocean because the ocean is powerful. They have no choice. No one can just walk on the beach and continue walking into the sea without having respect or regard for the ocean. If you keep going ahead, the ocean is going to make you respected. Even the best boat still has to respect the ocean. You have to become such a force that they can't help but respect you. You force yourself to become strong in all areas of life and always keep your word. That automatically commands respect. At the same time, you still have to be humble enough to respect other people. There is always something to learn from other people, and you don't know it all. What you will notice is that the real education of life only begins after school. Unfortunately, some people think they graduated in life when they finish their exams, and that is what stops them from growing as a person. Never let schooling interfere with your education. When you are a young man, especially, you have to start learning and overcoming hard challenges in life to grow. This is a period where you need to remove girls as a priority and focus on yourself. Girls will become more interested later in life when you become a high-value man. When you reach that point, you can pick and choose the best quality of women as you start to improve and better your life. Some people will try to pull you back. These people might be friends or family, and they might make fun of your goals or ask you to participate in habits that will waste your time because they want you to stay the same. You improving your life can be threatening to them as it confronts them with their own laziness and failures in life. Sometimes people will do this subconsciously without even being aware of it. Another reason why some friends will try to hold you back is that some friendships are built on temporary pleasure in which you might not participate anymore. If you always used to play video games with your friends or you always used to smoke weed together and you stop doing that, the foundation of that friendship is going to fall apart. You may be thinking you don't want to sacrifice things and just enjoy life instead. Understand this, even if you don't sacrifice for your goals, you still may have to make a sacrifice, because if you are not willing to make a sacrifice for your goals, then your goals become the sacrifice. If you give up on your dreams and potential for some temporary pleasure, you will have to face regret later in life. Eventually, you will meet new people that understand and support your goals. Try prioritizing the similarity of values over social vibes. You have to choose to let go of those people from your past and graduate to a higher quality of peer group or forego a better future. Just know that this does not make your current friends and family bad people. You can still love them from a distance, but you have to protect yourself and your goals. If that means you need to move out of town to change your environment, then that is what you have to do. There might be times where you experience loneliness, but this is not a bad thing. Temporary loneliness can be good because it makes you truly understand who you are and what you want out of life. You have to be able to put in the work when no one is watching. This means you don't post everything you do on social media to get instant gratification. Instead, keep working even if no one acknowledges what you are doing. Keep learning about finance, training your body, and listening to good information such as this video. You will still face many obstacles and challenges in life, and you will get beaten down. Know how to accept defeat gracefully. Any successful man has accepted defeat gracefully, learned from the experience, picked himself up, and carried on. Don't complain about things that have already happened or things you cannot control. You should only focus on the things you can control. Never let things ruin your mental peace. Practice meditation and make it your habit. In particular, begin to pray. Remember that a man is only as good as the one he looks up to. If you look up to God Almighty for guidance, you are bound to see victory in all areas of your life. Life is all about perception. What one person sees as reality may be completely different from what another person in the same situation may see. It all depends on how our individual thoughts, feelings, and behaviors shape our world. Don't be ungrateful and count your blessings. A negative outlook on life will make your life miserable no matter how much success you reach. As you get further ahead in life, you will notice your circle becoming smaller. There will be better people in your life, and although there may not be as many, they will be of better quality. You have to know how to be a good friend. Be someone that other men can count on. Make sure you have your friend's back and are prepared to fight alongside him if it ever came down to it. Be someone people can count on and always tell them the truth. The hard truth is always better than a comforting lie. Over time, all those decisions you make in life will transform you into a better version of yourself. You will reach a point where the world will view you as a high-value man. When you reach this point, women want to be with you while other men would want to be in your position. What you will notice is that girls start looking at you in a different way. Dating will become more interesting during this period of life. This is where life becomes fun as a man. Here's where you have options and can decide what you want to do in dating and in life. It is okay to have some fun and enjoy yourself at this point. But whatever you do, don't ever forget your values and principles. Also, make sure you never forget what got you to this point. Many people reach the top only to fall back down again because they forget the things that got them there. As said in the beginning, be humble enough to learn from other people and never stop learning. Just because you worked yourself up to the top doesn't mean you can't mess up always. Be sure even when you are enjoying your life, never allow yourself to completely fall off. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.